Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into NerdWallet affiliate program for insurance and loans referrals, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in NerdWallet affiliate program and press enter. Click on the official link to access the NerdWallet affiliate program page. Once on the page, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click the login button to be redirected to the login portal. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Double-check that your email and password are correctly entered. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You should be directed to your affiliate dashboard upon successful login. Once in your dashboard, navigate to the Referrals section for insurance and loans. Here, you can access your unique referral links. Review the available marketing materials provided for your affiliate promotions. Utilize these resources to effectively promote NerdWallet services. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help Center or contact support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.